Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the correlation receiver. Before that, we had discussed about maximum likelihood decoding in the optimum receivers using coherent detection. Now, uh, we will discuss matched filter receiver, which is considered to be an alternative of the correlator receiver. This is the correlator part of our receiver. This can be implemented alternatively using matched filter receiver. First of all, let us consider a linear time invariant filter with impulse response hj of t with received signal x of t operating as input. The resulting filter output is defined by the convolution integral given by this equation. As you know, the convolution of impulse response of the filter and input is our output, which is given by this equation. Now, to proceed further, let us evaluate the integral over the duration 0 to capital T. Instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, we will evaluate this to 0 to capital T. So we'll have to change the variable over here. We replace variable tau tau with t, and we can write yj of capital T is equal to integration from 0 to t xt hj t minus small t dt. Now consider the detector based on the bank of correlators. This detector, what is the equation for this detector output, which is xj is equal to 0 to t xt phi j of t dt. So if we compare equation 7.58 and 7.59, what we can say, these two filters, that is correlation filter and the output of this described filter with impulse response hj of t are equal when hj of t minus t is equal to phi j of t in the interval 0 to t, where j takes the values from 1 to m. Correct? And alternatively we can write, or the equivalently we can write hj of t, here it is hj of t minus t is equal to phi j of t. In convolution, we know one of the function is kept constant, another function is mirrored and shifted. The same thing we can apply here. Hj of t, if it is equal to phi j of capital T minus t for the interval 0 to t, where j is again taking value 1 to m. So what you can say from this is, if we have given with a pulse signal phi of t occupying the interval 0 to t, a linear time invariant filter is said to be matched filter to signal phi of t if its impulse response ht satisfies the condition, that is h of t is equal to phi of t minus t over the period 0 to t. So if this condition is satisfied, we can replace this correlator with the matched filters. Correct? So the particular time invariant filter is defined in this way is called as matched filter, and the block diagram of that matched filter is over here, and the outputs are as usual the observation vector x having the coordinate values x1 x2 up to xn. And the second part of this matched filter receiver is this one. It will be same, maximum likelihood receiver will be same, but the first part will be, now we have to replace with this filter banks, you can say. Okay, I hope you have understood the matched filter receiver, and this completes the module number 2. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.